everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be making some churros. So this will be the second video that will be baking on my channel. So yeah, let's get started. So first up, for making churros, you need to have, I got my recipe right here. So you need a half cup of water, but today we're going to be doubling the recipe. So we're going to need 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. And then after the water and the milk are done, then we will need 16 tablespoons of melted butter. So I got my water here. Pour that in. Then we will need our 16 tablespoons of butter. Pour that in. That's 1. That's 8. And there's 16. And after that, we will need 1/4 teaspoon salt. But since we're doubling, it needs to be ½ teaspoon. Put that in. And you need some sugar. And you need 2 teaspoons. Since we're doubling, you would have only needed 1. Now you need 2. And then here's the spatula. And you turn up to medium heat. And stir it frequently until it comes to a boil. This could take a while. So, it is just starting now to come to a boil. So after it's done boiling, you need to add, well, since we're doubling the recipe, you need to add 2 cups of flour. Normally it would be only 1. So you gotta turn down the heat all the way and then add in 2 cups of flour, like so. Whoops. And then after that, stir it. And it is already starting to soak up some of that water and milk that was in there. This has been known to make my arm very tired. So then afterwards, when you're done mixing it, you'll be left with like that, like a very thin layer of film on the bottom. Oh, my arm. It's so tired. Ugh. I do it with my left hand, but I'm right-handed. Okay, so after it's done being mixed, if you think that there's still like a bit of moisture, then turn it on to a medium heat and continue to mix it until most of it is gone. So once you're done stirring, you should be left with something that looks like this. It looks kind of like mashed potatoes, but it tastes a lot better. So after you add the flour, you want to wait till it's in like a nice smooth ball, and then afterwards you need to add 8 eggs. We've already added 7 eggs, but I'm going to do the last one here. There we go. And then so after you add your 8 eggs, or if you're not doubling this recipe, your 4 eggs, then you need to grab a piping bag, and if you don't have one, go to your local bulk store, and they probably will. And so now you're going to add the churro dough. There we go. One, losing my grip. Wait, that's it. There we go. There we go. So now all of our churro is in here. It's very hot. Kind of feels weird. Oh, also our tip here, we have a special end to make it look like more of the churro that you might have seen in the Book of Life. So afterwards, you need to get a pot of boiling hot oil, like this. So after you've done that part, comes the boiling process, where you need scissors and an adult. So I put the scissors in the hot oil just to make it so that it's a lot better and easier to cut the churro. Yum. Afterwards, you'll need tongs to flip the churros in their glorious goodness. Having some struggles with the churro. And once you're done with that, as you can see, we still have lots of batter left. You'll need your mix of cinnamon and sugar. And then once the churros over here are done, we're going to put them onto this plate. And then once we're hopefully done with all this batter in here, we're going to dip those in this cinnamon sugar, which makes the delicious churro. Chef's kiss. Those look delicious. So, the finished product looks like this. But now we get to dip them in the sugar and cinnamon. So it's actually really easy. You just take the churro and you just roll it around in the sugar and the cinnamon. It's that easy. And then you put them on here, just like that. I'll get all these other ones. Just grab a couple, put them on here. there you go. Delicious churros. Well, we're all done. And look at this finished product. Look at all those churros. I think this is actually the most churros I've ever seen at my house. That's ridiculous. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will put the link to Natasha's Kitchen, who actually helped us make this video. I will put the link to her recipe in the description. Well, see you later.